What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel again. This is just the audio with another video for you guys. And today's day I'm going to be replacing a started on a 2006 Acura TL. I called my friend had one replaced from another car that he had. It was a good one, so it's right here. I'm going to replace that one for that one. So to take it out was easy. So you just got to do once you mount this plate right here. It's I think it's a 212 volts on the bottom and two 10 mil on top, and then I think two 12 again. So it's for that. Once you remove that, you're gonna have easy access to it right there. So I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna get a socket and 17. I'm gonna add it here, and then I'm gonna go straight down to the bolt. Down there somewhere. I'm gonna put it in so you guys can see. I have my two hands, so I'm gonna be able to do it. So I'm gonna put my phone on the side, and then once I take it off, I'm gonna show you guys. Let's see. I already loosed the one on the bottom. I'm gonna go ahead and move the one on top already. I got loosen them both. They loose already. Oh no, the top one is not loose. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove. It's a bolt, long bolt on the bottom, and it's a smaller one on top, which is this time. So I'm gonna go right there. It's coming right there. It's coming slowly, but it's coming. I just mounted the one on the bottom. That's why the one on top is kind of like harder to get out. So now I'm gonna put it aside. I'm gonna show you guys. It's gonna come out. It's right there. It's still mega hot. Let me inspect it. You see it right there? It's kind of like, yeah, that's what slipped. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and inspect this, the flywheel. And then I'm gonna go ahead and get the bow mounted there. And bam, right there. That's it. Right. Gonna follow up with our long screw, which is there. And then, so you guys see. Right now it's in. I'm gonna just tie it up. Okay, so you guys are ready to put the battery on. I'm going to put the positive in, and I'm going to crank it to see what you guys think about it. So I was supposed to do the ground right here. I'm going to grind that down right now. And I'm going to put the battery back in the place. I already got the plate. As you guys told you, 1, 2, and 2 at the bottom 4. 10 mil, 10 mil. Right? So I'm going to mount the battery right now, and I'm going to crank it in to see how it goes. Stay tuned. Sorry for the voice about the video. Here I unplugged this little thing from there, so I just got access to the nut. So it'll be like an easy access for it. So I will put that back. I unplugged everything in. So now I'm gonna go put the plate on, and I'm gonna mount the battery so I can see. I just gotta put it in like just to see. Because remember, guys, this is a used starter. So I'm just gonna mount the battery right there. I'm gonna crank it in to see how it goes. All right, everything's up now already. I'm going to put the mount back and put everything back to the there, man. So I'm gonna get this one doesn't go. Okay, where you are? I'm looking for the where are you? Okay, so you go here. Cover that up, nice and beauty. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, guys, again. So this is the moment of truth. I already replaced the bad one with the good one that my friend just gave me. So I already installed it. So now it's gonna be the moment of truth. Let's see what we got. So this gentleman today is gonna pick up this vehicle. So I'm gonna sign it as well before he takes it. So moment of truth. He's in. Boom. Start up. Go bam. Let's go. Like, subscribe, ring the bell for more notification like that. Showstar Auto. Let's go. All right. This is a beautiful test drive for you, so you can see. I'm driving from Providence to Boston right now. Boom. Okay, I gotta set up the timing on time, but look, the engine light on. It was beautiful. AC on. Sunroof working. Hey guys, welcome back again. This is Showstar again with another video for you guys. So as you guys see, I've been driving this beautiful Acura TL 2016. It's beautiful, it feels smooth. I already do all the pop cover, head cover, gasket, change spark plug and all that. The car is ready for this new owner. So I'm doing a drive right here from Providence to Boston. I'm going to meet up with my family up there. And also I'm going to be able to ride the car to see how it feels. So that's it. It feels awesome. No check engine light on it already. I already shut off all the code license they already have. So like, subscribe, read the bell for more videos like that. Thank you for watching Showstar Auto. Let's go. Okay guys, welcome back to this channel again. This is Showstar Auto. So today was a beautiful day today because I get to do what I